Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this series, we are going to learn Excel macros. So Excel macros, that is Microsoft Visual Basic for application. By using Excel macros, we can write programming like we can automate Excel activities, IE automation, browser automation, Chrome automation, Outlook automation, and files and folders. We can create files, folders, and we can automate or we can perform certain tasks on Microsoft products like Notepad, PDF, Word, Excel. We can automate each and everything, and we can write our own custom macro codes by using Excel macros. If you are not familiar with the programming background, or if you are not aware even basic concepts like declaring a variable, what is variable, data type, loops, conditions, we don't need to worry, because we are going to start from scratch and we are going to cover each and every topic with the help of a real-time example. So let's see our agenda. So in this Excel macro series, we are going to learn different concepts like introduction to Excel macros and message box, printing the data by using message box. What are all the different types of message boxes available in Excel macros? Range functionality. Let's suppose if you want to set some data into an Excel file, or if you want to read some data into an Excel file. Recording. So recording, let's suppose if you are unable to write a single line of code, then that is absolutely fine. In Excel macros, what we can do, what are all the actions we want to perform, all the actions we can record, and we can modify the recorded steps. We can modify the recorded steps and we can run the task. So we are going to learn each and every concept with the help of a real-time example. And we can also format the Excel and create our custom forms. We can create pivot tables, VLOOKUPs, loops, conditions, and most of the real-time scenarios. So we need to work on Excel files, but in real-time scenarios we'll have a huge volumes of data, something like more than 10,000, more than 1 lakh records, something like that. So to find the row count, how many records we have in the Excel file, so each and everything we are going to learn in this series by finding last row dynamically. So to automate Excel or IE or browser, we are using RPA tools like Automation Anywhere, UiPath, Blue Prism, Microsoft Power Automate, and Cloud. These are all the different tools available in the market. But when compared to RPA tools, Excel macros, can handle all Microsoft products like IE automation, or third-party applications like Chrome automation and files creation of files, folder logging mechanism, error handling, and Excel activities. If you have a huge volumes of data, yes, you can perform by using Excel macros. So it is very important to learn Excel macros as a RPA developer, even the basic one. So if you are fresher or if you are not familiar with the programming language, it is the best platform to learn programming language. Here you can improve your logical skills, programming skills, and you can learn automation, or like robotic process automation also by using Excel macros. So here we can handle multiple Excel files by using Excel macros. Like you can open multiple Excel files and you can copy data from one Excel file to another Excel file. You can perform the filter operation and you can perform the VLOOKUP operation. What are all the actions we are going to perform in a real time? I am going to cover each and every topic in this series. So please subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon. That's why you'll be notified whenever I upload a new series or videos on Excel macros. Also, we can create our own custom user forms. Let's suppose if you want to update your details or if you want to register something, yes, we can create our own custom UI, and then you can create your own register form, or you can create your own custom form feed. Then you can fill the details by using user forms. And Also, we are going to cover real-time scenarios, error handling, filters, string operation, datetime operation, VLOOKUP, Outlook automation, web automation, files and folder, log to file, convert one file format to another file format, and handling multiple Excels. These are all the things we are going to cover. So let's get started. So first of all, if you want to learn Excel macros, the prerequisites are if you have Excel installed in your mission, that is more than enough. You no need to install any additional softwares. Only one thing is we need to enable developer tab, and you need to save the Excel file as a macro enable functionality, that is XLSM. So by using XLSM, you can store the all VBA code or process in your local mission with the help of XLSM extension. So by using Excel macros, we can automate, we can write your own programming skills, and you can learn programming fundamentals and all the things. So please subscribe, and I hope you will enjoy this series and learning of programming. That's all for today, guys, and next video we are going to learn how to enable a developer tab and how to save a Excel macro file. Thank you.